In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emails on Outlook bigger in just 5 minutes. We've all been there, squinting at our screens, trying to decipher tiny text, and it can be quite frustrating, especially if you're dealing with a lot of correspondence every day. Luckily, there's a way to make those small fonts larger and improve your email reading experience. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your preferred browser and head over to the Outlook login page through Microsoft 365. If you're already familiar with the process of accessing Microsoft services, this should be pretty straightforward. Keep in mind that using updated browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge will provide you with the best experience in terms of speed and security. Once you're on the Outlook login page, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on Sign In to proceed. This will take you to the standard Microsoft login form. Here, you should enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. It's always a good idea to double check your email entry for any typos or errors that could prevent you from logging in successfully. After entering your email, click on the Next button. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you enter this information accurately, as passwords are case sensitive. Remember to keep your password secure and private to protect your account. Once you've entered your password, click on the Sign In button to gain access to your Outlook inbox. As an added layer of security, you might be asked by Microsoft if you want to stay signed in. If you're using your personal device and want quick access in future sessions, choosing yes can be convenient. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it's wiser to select no to safeguard your account from unauthorized access. Now that you're signed in, navigate over to the mail section of your Outlook account. You should be in the main email interface of Outlook, where you can see your inbox and other folders. If you find any banners or prompts on the screen, feel free to close them to ensure you have a clear view of the options we're going to work with. To view an email and make adjustments to the text size, click on any email in your inbox that you would like to read. This will open the email on the right panel or in a new window depending on your settings. You may need to adjust settings to have the email open in a larger view if it initially opens in a constrained section of the screen. At the top of the opened email, you should notice a range of options. Look for a tab called View. This tab holds various options related to how your email content is displayed. Click on View to explore the available features aimed at tailoring your visual preferences. Within the View tab, you will find an option labeled Zoom. This is the feature that will allow us to increase the text size for better readability. Click on Zoom and a dialog box should appear with several zoom options. These usually range in percentages, for instance 100% for standard size, 125% for slightly larger, and even more for significantly larger text. Select the zoom level that feels most comfortable to your eyes. A general recommendation is to start with 125% and adjust accordingly. Once you've made your selection, click OK, and the text within your email should instantaneously adjust to the new size. Increasing the zoom level can make a world of difference, especially when reading long detailed emails that require close attention. Not only does it ease the strain on your eyes, but it also helps to better engage with the content without distractions. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted the text size of your Outlook emails. Remember, these settings will apply only to the email you're currently viewing. If you wish to apply the same zoom levels to other emails, you'll need to readjust the zoom settings via the View tab for each new email you open. For future reference, if you find that continually adjusting the zoom setting is cumbersome, consider exploring add-ons or accessibility settings within Outlook that might offer a more permanent solution for adjusting text size across your emails. This could streamline your reading experience significantly. I hope this guide has been helpful and that it enhances how you interact with your emails on Outlook. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your digital experience smoother. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.